तो आज हम इस्लामिक स्टडीज़ बेसिक इस्लामिक साइंस सिक्स सिस्टम का जो पेपर है उसकी आंसर की डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, तफसीरुल कबीर इज़ रिटन बाय बी पार्ट फ़िक्रुद्दीन रज़ी। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, बयानुल कुरान इज़ रिटन बाय मौलाना अशरफ अली थानवी ए पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग exegesis of Quran is written by Muhammad ibn Jarir al-Tabari C part Jamiul Bayan फिर तफसीरुल कुरान। क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर, तफसीर रूल अमाल इज रिटन बाय अलामा मोहम्मद अलूसी ए पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर फाइव, तफसीर बयान अल कुरान इज रिटन बाय सी पार्ट डॉक्टर असरार अहमद। क्वेश्चन नंबर सिक्स, तफसीर फी जलील जिलाल अल कुरान इज रिटन बाय सैयद कुतुब ए पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेवन, तफसीर तर्जुमानुल कुरान इज रिटन बाय मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद ए पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर एट, मुफ्ती मोहम्मद शफी हैज़ रिटन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग तफसीर वफ़ीरुल कुरान डी पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर नाइन, मुफ्ती मोहम्मद शफी बिलोंग टू विच पर्टिकुलर मूवमेंट ऑफ इस्लाम सी पार्ट देवबंद। क्वेश्चन नंबर टेन, द फेमस कॉमेंट्री ऑन द कुरान तफसीरुल कुरान अल अजीम इज रिटन बाय इब्न खतीर सी पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, who among the following is chronologically the oldest mufassir of Quran? Ibn Khatir. Question number 12, the word tafsir can be best described as depart all of the above. Question number 13, who among the following is not a mufassir of Quran? Depart Harun Rashid. Question number 14, a mufassir should be best defined as depart someone who has the knowledge of all of the above subjects. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 इसका भी पूरा कंफर्म नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, व्हाट इज़ नज़म इन कुरान सी पार्ट कोहेरेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, असबाब नुज़ूल मीन्स ए पार्ट हिस्टोरिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ रिवेलवेशंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, द रिवेलवेशन वही विच गॉड ट्रांसमिटेड इनटू हिज ओन वर्ड्स एंड स्पीच इज कॉल्ड वही मतलू ए पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, द revelation wahi which has projected on the heart of holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and words are not from Allah is known as wahi gair matlu b part. Question number 20, who which method of wahi was most difficult for the prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam b part ringing of bells. Question number 21, which among the following is a part of Quranic science c part both A and B. Question number 22, Shafiul Siddiq is written by Amir ibn A part. Question number 23, Al Jamia Al Musannad 23 A part. Question number 24, Sahih Muslim, a popular hadith text, is compiled by B part Imam Muslim. Question number 25, Abu Dawud, a popular work, is on which of the following subjects? B part hadith. Question number 26, Al Jamia Al Sahih Al Tirmidhi, a popular hadith text, is compromised by C part. Question number 27, Kitab al Sunan al Nasa is a full form of which of the following hadith books? C part Sunan Nisai. Question number 28, Muwatta is written by C part Imam Malik. Question number 29, Musnad Ahmad is written by D part Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal. Question number 30, which of the following texts form a pen of Sihai Sita? D part all of the above. Question 35, Imam Bukhari was born on D part 19th century AD. Marfu hadith can be defined as C part translation which is referred to Prophet Muhammad. Question number 33, Mutasil hadith can be defined as that A part tradition with unbroken chains of narrow. Question number 34, the tradition which is handed over by a tabi is called devout, none of the above. Question 35, the hadith where the name of an authority is not mentioned is called Mubham A part. Question number 36, the tradition hadith which is handed down from any side is called Mutawatir. Question number 37, a tradition which is handed over by one person A part Ahad. Question number 38. A tradition which is handed over by three different authorities. C part Mashhur. Question number 39. Hadith collection where the tradition are arranged subject wise. A part Musannif. Question number 40. A hadith collection where their tradition are arranged according to the narration. Musannad. B part. Question number 41. Which of the following is the best compilation of hadith? Muwatta. A part. Question number 42. Which among the following is the scholar of hadith? Sheikh Ahmad Albani. A part. Question number 43. The discipline of Islamic religion studies within hadith terminology in which narrators of hadith are evaluated is called ilmi al rijal. Question number 44. The literal meaning of fiqh is both A and B. Question number 45. The principles of Islamic jurisprudence is also known as deport all of the above. Question number 46. A non-binding legal opinion on the point of Islamic law given by the qualified jurist in the response to the question can be called fatwa. A part. Question 47. The independent reasoning on through mental excursion of jurist in finding a legal solution to a question is called ijtihad. C part. Question number 48. In Islamic terminology, denoting the legal conformity of one person to the teaching of another is called taqlid. C part. Question number 49. A person who is qualified for ijtihad independent reasoning is called mujtahid. B part. Question number 50. The person who performs taqlid is known as muqallid. A part. Question number 51. An Arabic term may refer to the consensus or agreement of Islamic scholars on a point of Islamic law is called ijma. C part. Question number 52. An Islamic scholarly religion disagreement is known as ikhtilaf. Question number 53. The process of deduction analogy in Islamic jurisprudence is called qiyas. Question 54. Who is the founder of Hanafi school of thought in Islam? Imam Abu Hanifa. A part. Question 55. An Arabic term of juristic distinction which means literally to consider something good is istihas. A part. Question 56. A Fiqh al-Kabir is a notable work of which of the following scholars? Imam Abu Hanifa. A part. Question 57. Who among the following is a disciple student of Imam Abu Hanifa? B part. Abu Yusuf. Question number 58. Who among the following was the first contributor to the principle of Islamic jurisprudence? Imam Abu Hanifa. A part. Question number 59. Who among the following is the founder of Shafi school of thought in Islam? D part. Imam Shafi. Question number 60. Which of the following works are written by Imam Shafi? D part. All of the above.